Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw a female fantasy character. So we're going to start with her face, and she has kind of a narrow face that comes down to a small chin, and we're going to draw her kind of shaggy haired because she is a warrior. She doesn't really have time to do her hair and stuff all the time. So, she's a little bit intimidating. She doesn't take no trouble from nobody. She's not really going to be smiling. She's seen too much. And then she's going to have her neck, and she'll be wearing something kind of her shoulders. She'll be wearing something she's kind of at a three-quarters angle here. She's going to be wearing something a little bit like sporty, right? So here she is with her arm. We'll put her arm on her hip because she is tough. And we'll make her other arm holding a sword because she has had enough of people's trash talking. There we go. She's got a sickle. Now she's going to have kind of a big, almost like a wrestling belt type thing. I don't know why a lot of superheroes kind of wear that kind of thing. And she's got a skirt, like a sport length skirt, because she's got to run and jump a lot and stuff like that. And then her legs, she's kind of thick in the thighs from all the running and whatnot, her knees. And she's wearing boots. I don't know why, but that's what they wear. They all wear these kind of boots. And she's going to have some buckles and things like that on her boots. Because in the future, which is where she's from, they just have a different fashion sense. Maybe she's got a few straps of leather coming off of her boots, because that's what's going to be popular in the future. And then when we go back up, she has a cape. That's pretty fantasy-rific, which you just draw behind her flying in the breeze. And she's also going to have some kind of necklaces and things, like maybe a water bottle around her neck or some other jewelry type things. A big bracelet, this big kind of cuff on each arm, just like that. And then when you're done with that, you can go in and you can color it any way you want. Put some different designs and things on her clothing, give her a little bit more character. Maybe put a little shadow or some light on the sword, put a little star to show how sharp it is. And that is how you draw a female fantasy character.